Hey viewers, welcome to the Festool Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best Festool sander you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best Festool sander in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Festool 576028 sander. The Festool 576028 Multi-Mode Sander RO 150 FEQ-Plus SIS3 is a premium, versatile sanding tool designed to deliver professional-level performance for a wide range of sanding and polishing tasks. It's known for its durability and innovative features. This multi-mode sander is suitable for both aggressive material removal and fine finish work, making it an essential tool for serious woodworkers, contractors, and automotive detailers. It can switch between a powerful rotary mode for aggressive sanding and a random orbital mode for fine finishing, allowing users to complete a variety of tasks with just one tool. The 6-inch, 150mm, sanding pad provides a larger surface area for faster work, whether you're sanding large flat surfaces or polishing. Festool's innovative Jetstream dust extraction system ensures minimal dust buildup, improving efficiency and safety. The integrated dust collection significantly reduces cleanup time and keeps the work area cleaner. This sander features a comfortable, ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The balanced design also provides greater control, making precision work easier. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Festool sander is Festool RTS EC EQ+. The Festool RTS EC 150 EQ+ 576339 is a professional-grade sander that excels in both power and precision. Its versatility, combined with advanced features like the brushless motor, variable speed control, and effective dust extraction, make it one of the best tools on the market for fine finishing work. It's well suited for professionals who demand reliability, durability, and exceptional performance. The 5mm stroke is perfect for fine to medium sanding, making it highly versatile for finish work. It offers the right balance of material removal and smoothness, whether you're working on wood, metal, or composite materials. Festool equips this sander with a brushless ECTEC motor, which is powerful, durable, and maintenance-free. The motor provides consistent performance with high efficiency and long lifespan while reducing energy consumption. This tool features a variable speed control 6 speed settings, allowing you to tailor the speed, 6,000 to 10,000 RPM, to the material you're sanding. Whether it's aggressive sanding or delicate finishing, this control helps achieve the desired outcome. Third pick in our list is Festool RTS 400 Orbital Sander. The Festool RTS 400 REQ Orbital Sander is a compact, high-performance tool designed for professional finish work. It's known for its precision, ease of use, and advanced dust extraction. This sander is ideal for sanding small, flat surfaces, making it a favorite among woodworkers, carpenters, and contractors. Festool incorporates its vibration stop technology to minimize hand fatigue and allow for more extended periods of use. It's a noticeable difference compared to other orbital sanders and makes sanding more comfortable. The Festool RTS 400 REQ offers excellent control and precision, making it ideal for detailed finish work. It excels in fine sanding, producing smooth, even results on wood, metal, and painted surfaces. The orbital sanding motion 3x32-inch stroke ensures swirl-free finishes, and its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver into tight spaces, making it perfect for cabinetry, trim work, and edge sanding. One of the standout features is the integrated dust extraction system. When connected to a Festool dust extractor, the tool keeps the work area virtually dust-free, which not only improves air quality but also enhances the quality of the finish by preventing dust from scratching the surface. The RTS 400 REQ's compact form factor makes it easy to use in hard-to-reach areas, and its lightweight design ensures less fatigue during extended sanding sessions. Whether you're working on vertical surfaces or overhead, this tool remains comfortable to use, without compromising on power. Number 4 in our side is Festool Random Orbital Sander. The Festool 576070 Random Orbital Sander ETS 125 REQ-Plus is a high-end, precision tool designed for professional woodworkers, furniture makers, and finishers. As part of Festool's celebrated line of sanding tools, it offers an exceptional balance of power, finesse, and ergonomic design, making it a favorite for those who demand superior results in their work. The ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, reducing hand strain during long periods of use. This attention to comfort makes the tool easy to control, even on fine detail work. This sander is equipped with Festool's vibration reduction technology, which minimizes vibration and ensures a smooth, controlled sanding experience. It significantly reduces operator fatigue, allowing for longer sanding sessions with greater comfort. The Festool ETS 125 REQ-Plus excels in providing a smooth, fine finish thanks to its 2 mm sanding stroke. It's ideal for tasks like final surface preparation, sanding between coats of finish, or working on delicate materials such as veneers. The precision of this tool is remarkable, making it a go-to for finish carpenters and cabinet makers. Last in our best Festool sander list is Festool Rotex RO FEQ-Plus Random Orbital Sander. The Festool Rotex RO 125 FEQ-Plus Random Orbital Sander is a powerful, versatile tool that stands out in the crowded market of sanding equipment. Its combination of rotary and orbital sanding capabilities makes it a unique choice for anyone looking to achieve high-quality finishes with efficiency. Festool is renowned for its build quality, and the RO 125 FEQ-Plus is no exception. Constructed with durable materials, this sander is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The compact design and lightweight feel contribute to its user-friendly nature. The inclusion of the Sustainer Superscript 3 storage system is a fantastic bonus, as it not only keeps the sander and accessories organized but also integrates seamlessly with other Festool products. This system is particularly useful for professionals who need to transport their tools to job sites. The Festool Rotex RO 125 truly excels in its dual functionality. In rotary mode, it efficiently removes material from surfaces, making it a go-to choice for initial sanding on rough wood or paint removal. Switching to the orbital mode is smooth and allows for fine sanding without swirl marks, resulting in a perfect surface finish for painting or stain.